If you enjoy this video, be sure to like and share it and subscribe to our channel to get the latest from Acromag. I'm Acromaggie, bringing you an Acromag application note: how to display and maintain tank levels in a hazardous area. A chemical manufacturer has various tanks of substances which it combines to manufacture their product. The tops of these tanks are a UL-rated Class 1 Division 2 hazardous area. They use 4-wire non-contact level sensors and want their operators to be able to read and adjust the tank levels, either automatically or manually from ground level. The spot where this needs to be installed is in a UL-rated Class 1 Division 1 Groups A, B, C, and D hazardous area, and there is no power source available. The system requires an input loop-powered display that's rated for Class 1 Division 1 hazardous areas. Settable solid-state outputs for pump control would be especially beneficial. The solution? Acromag's VPM 2212 panel meter. This panel meter has 2 lines of alphanumeric display and is input loop powered, requiring no local power. The VPM 2000 panel meters are even UL/CUL approved for use in hazardous locations requiring intrinsically safe, non-incentive devices. They can also be used for process on-off control and pump alternation applications. Why is Acromag's Virtue VPM 2212 panel meter the perfect solution? User-friendly front panel push buttons can set operating parameters and serve as function keys to change the display or acknowledge alarms. The VPM 2000 displays are simple to set up and install. No separate power supply is required, making it easy to install these meters almost anywhere. USB connection to a PC makes setup fast and easy with the free configuration software, which can save the file for copying to other units. The Virtue VPM 2212 has all the features this customer needed to allow their operators to safely monitor and control tank levels. And Acromag is a Michigan-based manufacturer that has been in business for over 60 years. All Acromag products are manufactured in the USA. Contact us for more information or order today. Visit our website at www.acromag.com and don't forget to share our video on Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter. Click on these links to subscribe to our YouTube channel, learn more about Acromag, or learn more about Acromag's Virtue 2000 panel meters.